How to get enough amino acids, simple tips for a healthy diet. Amino acids are essential nutrients that help the body build proteins, repair tissues, support muscles, and maintain important functions. The body can produce some amino acids, but others must come from food. Learning how to get enough amino acids can help improve your nutrition and overall health. Getting enough amino acids does not require a difficult diet. By choosing the right foods and eating a variety of healthy meals, you can support your body's daily needs. 1. Eat protein-rich foods. Protein is the main source of amino acids. Adding protein to your daily meals helps provide the essential amino acids your body needs. Good sources include eggs, fish, chicken, lean meat, milk and yogurt, tofu and tempeh. These foods contain complete proteins that provide a balanced range of amino acids. 2. Include plant-based protein. You can also get amino acids from plant foods. Eating different plant proteins together can create a more balanced amino acid intake. Try adding beans, lentils, chickpeas, quinoa, nuts, seeds. Simple combinations like rice with beans or whole grains with legumes can improve protein quality. 3. Spread protein across meals. Your body needs amino acids throughout the day. Instead of eating a large amount of protein at once, include protein in each meal. Examples: breakfast, eggs, yogurt, or oatmeal with nuts. Lunch, chicken, fish, tofu, or beans. Dinner, meat, seafood, or plant protein. Snacks, seeds, nuts, or dairy products. This helps maintain a steady supply of amino acids. 4. Choose whole foods. A healthy diet should include more than protein. Whole foods provide additional nutrients that support the body. Include fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, healthy fats. A varied diet helps ensure you receive different nutrients every day. 5. Adjust to your lifestyle. Amino acid needs can change depending on your activity level, age, and health goals. Active people may need more protein to support muscle repair and recovery. Understanding how to get enough amino acids is simple when you focus on balanced eating. Choose a variety of protein sources, combine different foods, and maintain healthy daily habits. A nutrient-rich diet can help support strength, energy, and long-term wellness. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.